Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Rizka Listiana with NPM 2341142. I'm from Management Class 23B. Here I will explain the material about liquidity risk management. Definition of liquidity risks. Liquidity risks occur when a company cannot pay its immediate debt due to a lack of cash or liquid assets. Funding liquidity risks involves internal cash shortage, while market liquidity risks refers to difficulties selling assets without major price discount. Both can happen suddenly and damage a company operation and reputation. Why liquidity risk matters? Even a profitable company can fail if it runs out of cash. Inadequate liquidity may delay payments, hurt operation, or even trigger insolvency. Maintaining liquidity is also vital for maintaining market confidence and preventing panic. Key regulatory frameworks. Based on was introduced to strengthen liquidity position in financial institutions. The LCR ensure enough liquid assets to survive a 30-day crisis, while NSVR promote long-term balance between assets and funding. These frameworks are enforced globally, including by regulators like OJK in Indonesia. Liquidity risk indicator. These indicators provide insight into how easily a company can meet obligation. Ratio help evaluate financial health, while LCR and NSVR are used by banks. A long cash conversion cycle may signal potential liquidity pressure. Common causes of liquidity risks. Many liquidity problems arise when companies rely too heavily on short-term financing. External factors like market panic or sudden withdrawals can also dry up available cash. Mismatches in assets and liability timing often make matters worse. How to manage liquidity risks? Effective liquidity management means preparing for unexpected events. Firms should maintain a buffer or liquid assets, monitor cash needs, and diversity of funding options. Stress tests and contingency plans help institutions survive under pressure. Tools and techniques. These tools help companies understand their liquidity position in real time and under different future conditions. By simulating various events, managers can identify weaknesses early and act before issues become crises. Introduction to liquidity risks in non-financial firms. Liquidity risk is not only a concern for banks. Non-financial firms like manufacturers and retailers also face it, especially when their cash inflow depend on customer payment while their outflows are fixed and urgent. Sources of liquidity risks in corporates. Liquidity problems often stem from poor working capital management. For example, if customers delay payments while the company must still pay a supplier, liquidity stress build up. External shock like inflation or disrupt logistics can worsen this. So much material that I can convey. best apologies if there is a mistake in the pronunciation of words. Thank you for watching until the end. I end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.